Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory that often goes unnoticed until you need it most: the PPJ AC power cord cable plug. This particular cable is designed to be a reliable power solution for a range of devices, specifically mentioning Lumens digital visualizers like the DC190, DC158, DC211, and DC166, as well as ELO ET1729L and ET1729L8 UWA monitors, and even the classic 17-inch Samsung 150S LCD monitor TV. What immediately stands out about this PPJ power cord is its broad compatibility. It's engineered to accept an input of AC 100V to 240V at 50-60 Hz. This wide voltage range means it's suitable for use in various regions around the world, making it a versatile choice whether you're replacing a lost cord or simply need a spare. The manufacturer, PPJ, has gone the extra mile to ensure this product isn't just a generic replacement. They proudly state that their products are CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. These certifications aren't just acronyms. They signify that the cable meets stringent safety, environmental, and quality standards. It's also been rigorously tested by the manufacturer to match, and in some cases, even exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications. This commitment to quality gives users confidence that they're getting a product that performs as well as, if not better than, the original. Safety is paramount when it comes to power accessories, and the PPJ AC power cord doesn't disappoint. It incorporates a comprehensive suite of protection features: OVP, OCP, and SCP. For those unfamiliar, OVP stands for Over Voltage Output Protection, which safeguards your device from receiving too much voltage. OCP, or Overcurrent Output Protection, prevents damage from excessive current flow. And SCP, Short Circuit Output Protection, is there to protect against short circuits, which can be incredibly damaging. These three layers of protection offer significant peace of mind, knowing that your valuable electronics are shielded from common electrical mishaps. The cable itself features a Type A plug format, which is standard for many regions, including North America. While the listing mentions male-to-male for connector gender, for a typical AC power cord connecting a device to a wall outlet, it usually implies a male plug for the wall and a female connector for the device. Regardless of the specific connector terminology, its function is clear: to provide stable and safe power. The brand PPJ aims to deliver dependable power solutions, and this cord appears to be a testament to that goal. Before making a purchase, it's always wise to heed the manufacturer's advice. Double-check the model of your device. While this cord boasts wide compatibility, ensuring an exact match for your specific Lumens visualizer, ELO monitor, or Samsung TV model will guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. For anyone in need of a reliable, certified, and protected power cord for their compatible devices, the PPJ AC power cord cable plug presents itself as a strong contender, offering both performance and safety in one package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.